In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roposo to Shopify for the year 2025. If you're looking to bring together the vibrant community of Roposo with your Shopify store, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into making this connection seamless and effective for your business. First things first, you'll want to be logged into your Shopify account. Once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard, take a look over on the left panel of your screen. Towards the bottom, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is the main hub for all third-party applications that you can integrate with Shopify to enhance your store's functionality. Once you're in the Apps section, you might notice a search bar or a prompt that allows you to look for specific applications. In this search bar, type in Roposo. As you start typing, you might see a few suggestions pop up, but make sure you select the app that's just right for your needs. You'll identify it either by its logo or the name Roposo, ensuring it's the official application you intend to integrate. After clicking on it, you will be directed to its dedicated app page. Here, you'll find more information about what Roposo can offer for your Shopify store, including user reviews and ratings that might help you gauge its effectiveness and reliability. Once you've taken a moment to explore, you'll notice there's a prominent button that says Install. Click on this Install button to begin the integration process with Shopify. The app will take a moment to install, depending on your internet speed. Once you have it installed, the next step is to follow its setup process. This setup might involve providing necessary permissions for the app to access elements of your Shopify store. It's crucial here that you carefully review what those permissions are and what data the app will need access to function correctly. During the setup, you might also have to log into your Roposo account, or possibly create one if you don't have it already. This will allow the app to sync properly with your Shopify store, so make sure your credentials are ready. And there you have it. Once you've completed these setup steps, you're all set. Your Roposo app is now linked with Shopify, ready to enhance your store's experience and expand your business's reach. Take a moment to explore the new features and see how they can benefit your store's operations. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to stick around for more Shopify tips and tricks in the coming videos.